The Insert Line command lets you draw freehand lines in a variety of ways. This tutorial shows you how to draw general freehand lines. Other tutorials show you how to draw perpendicular or tangential lines and other variations. Select the command and the prompt tells you to select the start of the line. Position your crosshair where you want the line to start and click your left mouse button. When you move your crosshair, you'll see an elastic line stretched between the point you just clicked and your crosshair. This is known as rubber banding. The prompt now tells you to select the end of the line. So position your crosshair where you want the line to end and click your left mouse button again. A line will be drawn between the 2 points you clicked and a new rubber band will follow your crosshair, allowing you to draw another line connected to the first one. The prompt still tells you to select the end of the line, so you can draw as many lines as you want, all joined to each other. To finish drawing a series of lines, click your right mouse button. The rubber band disappears, but the prompt now tells you, again, to select the start of the line, allowing you to begin another series of lines if you want to. Click your right mouse button to finish drawing that series of lines, and the prompt again tells you to select the start of the line. To stop drawing freehand lines altogether, click your right mouse button a second time. When drawing in RealCAD, as you move your crosshair over existing entities, you'll sometimes see a small diamond appear. And sometimes a small square. The diamond will be explained in other videos, but the square means that RealCAD has found the end point of the entity. This applies to all entities, not just lines. So, to connect to the end of an existing entity, click your left mouse button when you see the small square. This is called snapping to the end point, and the square is called the snapping square. You need to be pointing towards the end of the entity, but not necessarily at the very end. For example, the ends of these two lines can be joined up to the end of this arc, to the end of this curve, back to the lines again, and so on. Click your right mouse button to stop drawing that sequence of lines. You can also constrain your freehand lines to predefined angles. This is done by holding down the Shift key when drawing the line. Click where you want the line to start, and then hold the Shift key down as you move your mouse. The rubber band will be locked at multiples of whatever angle has been defined. Here, the angle is 30 degrees, so the line is locked at 0, 30, 60, 90, 120, and so on. If you release the Shift key at any stage, you simply revert to freehand rubber banding. Press the Shift key again, and you constrain the line again. Clicking now will result in a line being drawn at 30 degrees from the horizontal. To set this angle, select the Options menu at the top of the screen, select Line from the drop-down menu that appears, and then enter the angle you want. Holding the Shift key down now while drawing lines will constrain the line to this new angle. Here it's 45 degrees. The angle can be changed whenever you need to. That completes this tutorial.